Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super handy tutorial, how to convert HTML files to PDF on Windows in 2025. Whether you're a student archiving web pages, a professional sharing reports, or just someone who needs to preserve formatting, this method is quick, free, and built right into your system. No fancy software required. Just your Windows machine and a few simple steps. Let's jump right in. First off, make sure you have your HTML file ready. You can create one using Notepad or open a web page you'd like to save. For this example, we'll use Microsoft Edge, which is the default browser in Windows and has excellent PDF conversion tools. Step 1. Open your HTML file in Microsoft Edge. Simply double-click the file, and it should launch in the browser. If it doesn't, right-click the file and select Open with, then choose Edge. Step 2. Once the page is loaded, click the three dots in the top right corner of the browser window to open the menu. From there, select Print, or use the handy shortcut Ctrl+P to bring up the print dialog. Step 3. In the print settings, look for the Printer drop-down menu. Select Microsoft Print to PDF as your printer option. This is a built-in feature in Windows 11 and later versions, making conversion effortless. Step 4. Customize your settings if needed, like choosing landscape or portrait orientation, adjusting margins, or scaling the content, then click Print. You'll be prompted to save the file, so pick a location on your computer, give it a name, and hit Save. And just like that, your HTML file is now a crisp PDF. It usually takes just a few seconds. In 2025, Windows has made this even smoother with better rendering for complex web elements, so your PDFs will look professional every time. One quick tip. If your HTML includes images or scripts that aren't loading properly, refresh the page first to ensure everything renders correctly. If you encounter any errors, try updating your browser or Windows for the latest fixes. There you have it. Converting HTML to PDF on Windows is easier than ever. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.